About 30% of an employee's day is wasted on daily administrative chores, unnecessary tasks, and outdated, manual ways of working. Zenfi users free up at least 15 to 20 hours per week. What could you achieve with an extra 735 hours per year per team member? Zenfi empowers teams to maximize productivity, minimize costs, and exceed targets by transforming hours of manual processes into set-and-forget workflows. It has been proven that process automation robots or bots can easily handle the repetitive and mundane tasks in record speed and with precision accuracy. With Zenfi's drag-and-drop flow designer, anybody with minimal training will be able to build flows and start automating in just a few days. This allows teams to be able to focus on more high-value tasks. In this climate of labor shortages, why not take a more innovative approach and let your computer pick up the slack? Studies have shown that once a company implements process automation, both employee retention and satisfaction levels dramatically increase. Process automation can benefit every team in any organization without exception, and the results of implementing it can be seen on your bottom line almost immediately. Zenfi is turning heads in the tech world and making the competitors on the market stand up and take notice. In 2022, SaaSworthy named Zenfi as one of the prestigious top 10 workflow automation companies in both the most popular and fastest-growing categories. Additionally, they are ISO certified, HIPAA compliant, and at the top of the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Robotic process automation allows your employees to feel empowered and have a newfound passion for their job. Now work is exciting again, instead of unfulfilling and boring, doing the same task over and over all day. With decades of experience in delivering top-notch no-code process automation systems worldwide, Zenfi's leaders possess a wealth of knowledge and several years of leadership expertise. Although Zenfi is based in Australia, its workforce is entirely remote and distributed worldwide. This approach ensures that a knowledgeable Zenfi employee or partner is always nearby to provide assistance when needed. With over 1,600 customer sign-ups from small local businesses to global companies in more than 70 countries, Zenfi's reach is truly global.